Good morning. I am happy indeed to join you all today at the inaugural session of this 3-day workshop in online learning organized by Alapon, Academy for Language Advancement and Progressive Attitude Nurturing, a registered autonomous educational organization in collaboration with Department of English, SSDNM College, Kavilpatti, Tamil Nadu. First of all, I would like to extend my heartiest welcome to all of you. We are very sure that in this present situation, there's no other option apart from online platform. Learning in this internet age means we must learn tomorrow's skills today. But one thing we have to keep in mind, we can't just dive into an e-learning project thinking everything will go swimmingly. Online learning is not the next big thing, it's the now big thing. There are diversities in learning process. As a learner, if you don't update yourself, you must lose a number of innovative ideas which are upcoming. I think to update yourself, this is the right platform in right time. Two renowned resource persons, Mrs. A. Angiara Khanni, Assistant Professor of English, St. Anthony's College of Arts and Science for Women, Dindigul, and Dr. M. Shudha Devi, Assistant Professor of English, Sri S. Ramaswamy Naidu Memorial College, Shattur. Along with them, some honorable professors will take your sessions. They are very much welcome to these sessions. Our sincere digital and technical support team nicely designed the program. I am grateful to them along with our Tamil Nadu State Coordinator, Mrs. S. Shanmuga Priya. Enjoy the sessions. Hope for the best.
Good morning, dear participants. I am very happy to introduce today's chief guest, Professor Angaya Kanni, Assistant Professor, Department of English, St. Anthony's College of Arts and Science for Women, Dindigul. She has completed her UG in Sri Meenakshi Government Arts College, Madurai, and PG in Mejura College of Arts and Science, Madurai, and her MPhil in Madurai Kamaraj University. She had 19 years of teaching experience in both school as well as in college. She worked as a higher secondary English teacher from 2001 to 2008 in Velamal Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Madurai. Then she worked as assistant professor in Kodaikanal Christian College as well as in SS Velachami Nadar College of Arts and Science, Madurai. She has participated as well as presented many research articles in n number of national and international conferences, workshops and seminars. She has also served as a resource person in many national and international conferences and seminars. She is also in the editorial board of reputed internal journals such as International Journal of Tamil Language and Literary Studies and the co-editor of Literary Druid, a peer-reviewed international journal of English language and literature. I am very happy to welcome you, ma'am. Thank you.
Hello friends, welcome back. I hope last week you might have seen the videos of Nearpath and Kahoot in the perspective of the teachers. Now let me present you the same Nearpath and Kahoot in the aspect of the students. I mean how to respond by the students. Okay, let us watch.
Lessons already. We have around 20 slides. If you want, we can edit it also. Then save and go to Nearpod. Now we get into the Nearpod website. Nearpod.google.com. You can view my library reports. In my library, you can have various contents for all subjects. Select the account to access Nearpod. Reports at the end of the slideshow, you can view the progress of the students. Now it saves all our slides which we prepared in Google Drive. You you can present these slides in three ways, either through Zoom presentation or classroom participation or students based. Now let me select students based. Students can use the code to join. If you want to add any more activities, you can use new live participation through Zoom, use participation, student based. Now you can see the code. You can use the code through email, WhatsApp, or you can save it as link, or through Google Classroom you can share the slides. Now you can see all the activities. Students use the code to access the slides. If the students have enrolled, you can see the list of the students. Now it is a demo consent. I didn't add any of the students. Now the first slide. Here you can see all the slides. Audio content. Okay, the second slide. BBC Worldwide, building a boat tomorrow. Okay, we can go for the next one. Oh yes, would you like to approve the student? Give yes, parts of speech. You can post in any of your information to the students. If you have, you can post it here. You can share it through WhatsApp. You can set the time. Images, you can upload it from Google search. Okay. Here, by seeing the content, you can frame the words. Video content, you can display it. Okay, next. .360 you can view. You can take your children to the field trip. By lens, if you view how it looks, you can see in all directions. You can rotate. You can view the aerial focus. Shakespeare's Globe Theatre. Students will enjoy to look at this. Okay. Now fill in the blanks. Students gave the answer in the blanks. Correct answer, only one answer, that is me. This is the URL link which you shared to your students to discuss. The next activity is memory test. So within how many moves you select the images, correct images with press. Okay, well done. Here, this is lunar eclipse. How the earth revolves around the moon. Students can enjoy as if they see it in alive. PDF. On watching this program, you can give a suggestion. Any of the contents you can share, PDF content. They can open and view. Here quiz. So students, how many of them attended? Correct answers, how many of them gave? Clue, by seeing the video content, how many of them gave the correct answers? Progress. PhD, especially for math and science teachers. Lab activities. How the light rays reflect, how it affects the brain. Eyes, how it affects the eyes. To the students, it seems also. You can upload the image. Sway, Microsoft Sway. Location, the entire history, the significance of that. How many visitors per year they come across here. The location, the kilometers distance, origin of it. So you can share the details, information about that particular topic. So watching all this, you can discuss to the students about that slides. The next slide. After sway, here it comes. Quiz in playway activity. When you give the correct answers, it take you to the ladder up. Okay, next. Time to climb. Quiz activity. All these are playway activities. At the end, you can upload video content. In BBC Worldwide, you can select the content only from those categories. Here, you can upload any of the contents, either YouTube or your own contents. Okay, fine. So, at the end of the session, you can see your report. It will mail to you. Fine. Okay, end session. Thank you. Now it is Kahoot. You can see the pin number, game pin number. You have to share it to your students. By using the pin number, they play the quiz. Scoreboard. This is true or false question. You can see the score also. Oh, Anu stands first. Perfection. If you want, you can play it again or you can go for the next. From Discover, another quiz, pin number, display. Select math topic, which we saw this content already. Level you can select it. Grade 1, apply that. Okay. Shapes. Let me select any of the quiz which already existed under Discover. Some other teachers who have created. So the quiz whatever we create, you can view that under Discover. First grade shapes. You can pick. Now select teach. Classic, player versus player. Okay. For team mode you can select that. Now this is the screen which you can see, which display in the student's device. You have to share the game pin number. So by using this game pin number, students join the session. They give their name, they add their name by using the pin number. So you can view number of players who take part in this quiz competition. Even if someone is left out, you can easily catch hold of them. Start. Now you can view how many of them answered for the questions. You can view the percentage. If you want, you can play it again, or you can view the scoreboard, the report of the entire session, the participants and their score. You can view it in the report. The report chart. Students can view continue to your report. Game, in which mode it happens. You can rename it, or you can open and play it again, or you can end the session. Okay, we can end the session. You can sign out from the Kahoot by using the okay, sign out. Thank you for joining with me.